The law of the sea basically organizes the sea into several maritime zones. Each of these zones has its own special rules regarding what the port, coastal state, and flag state vessel are allowed to undertake in that specific zone, and what duties it has to respect. Let's take a trip to illustrate its dynamics and see how law of the sea works in real-life scenarios. Hop on board! While sailing in the territorial sea, the rights and obligations of the coastal state apply to and on the ship, regardless of the nationality of the vessel. But don't forget that the sea, next to the water in the sea, also encompasses the airspace above the sea and the seabed and subsoil. In the territorial sea, vessels normally have the right of innocent passage. However, this intimidating Brazilian ship sailing next to us seems to be threatening the security of the Netherlands by sailing here. The same applies to that aircraft heading to land. In the contiguous zone, coastal states are allowed to extend the application of certain national laws, for example, on customs and immigration. The speedboat trying to escape the Coast Guard has probably violated one of these laws and is therefore being chased. The exclusive economic zone, which includes the contiguous zone, allows the coastal state to have exclusive rights for the purpose of exploring, exploiting, conserving, and managing natural resources, whether living or not. This, of course, means that coastal states can prohibit other states to utilize this stretch of the sea for the purposes mentioned earlier. We are now clearly sailing on the high seas. It looks so peaceful. But wait, what's happening there? It seems like one of our fellow passengers has committed an offense and is being arrested. Did you know that because we are on the high seas, the laws that are applicable to his crime depend on which flag the ship is flying? As this is a Dutch ship, Dutch laws apply. Those ships over there are also sailing on the high seas, but because they are flying different flags, different laws apply to and on the ship. Fascinating, isn't it? Our little trip is coming to an end. Let's hope that these tangible examples have illustrated that law of the sea is one of the most effective and dynamic fields of international law. Much is happening on the sea, but fortunately, much is also regulated and working in practice.